Hey, we're looking to buy your used restaurant equipment that you're not using. Hey, it's Constantine with Buy, Sell, Find Restaurant Equipment. We literally have a list this long of people looking for equipment. Hey, let's get over here and check out the list and see what we need. We're looking for tables and chairs, mixers, 2-compartment sinks, 3-compartment sinks, mixer cutters, spiral mixers, deli warmers, tilting kettles, salamanders, under-counter ice machines, 6-burner range, upright coolers, upright freezers, display freezers. Somebody out there has to have a Turkish lokma donut maker with no holes. That's what the kind of things we're looking for. Vacuum sealers, variety of freezers, waffle makers, wood tabletops, wine cellars. The list goes on and on. There's literally like 400 people looking for things here. Come on guys, you gotta help us out here. I used to be in the restaurant business myself. I know you guys have equipment sitting in your basement over there. Waitresses are stepping over in order to use the washrooms in there, you know? Check your basements, check under the floorboards, check behind the dishwasher, check the dishwasher's pockets. I know you guys have equipment hiding there somewhere. In all seriousness, we have a ton of clients looking for a ton of equipment. Send us a picture of what you have in Messenger. We'll find you a buyer.